Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40, 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I have put some black paint on as a base. And I've got a bit of an idea here on a couple of things I'd like to do, and so I have to think how I might do them. So I'm going to firstly do a bit of a spatula swipe. Let's see how that goes. So and then red. Green and a bit of white as well, eh? And then in the middle one here I have some white. A bit of yellow. And oh yeah, okay. Alright, why not? A bit more green. Okay, so here we go, and I think I'm going to take it like that. Okay. Right, so that's a little bit different. Getting a lot of cell action there. I just drew this bit down. Okay, so just along here with some white. Much blue. And maybe some gold. I haven't used any of that yet, have I? Not a lot left. Yay. Now the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you will find under Show More. I don't know if I told you that, but there we go. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. Let's see here. Okay, now this bit here. Blue. White. Orange. Well, there's a different one for you. I want to do something with that centre, so I might need a bit more black. So I'll just quickly see if I can. You're going to come out. That That's not sounding good. This one will though. What are you? No, that's no good. Get there. Alright. I like that. I like that a lot. Now, just accentuating a little bit here, because sometimes it just looks a bit better when you have a bit of a fiddle with it. Okay, now, oh look at those cells, I don't want to mess with those. I'll take it up here instead. Over there. Get rid of that. Very good. I don't know that I can do too much more. I like it the way it is. Put some over that corner, I think. Got it. What do you guys like? Yeah, they're good. Okay, so I'm just going to torch it and then I'll bring you down to have a look. Is that? I've got a couple of spots there I just want to get rid of. There, 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 yeah, that's okay. Oh yes, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look, and I still got oodles of paint left over. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell at the side there and you will be notified as I put up more videos. By clicking the thumbs up you help YouTube to place videos, so I greatly appreciate people when they do that for me. If you don't mind, just a thumbs up thing, doesn't cost anything, only takes a second. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. I will answer them pretty quickly. Lots of cells. and wonderful shapes here. I really like this one. The cells are so bright and pretty. So I hope you've enjoyed this one, and as I've asked, please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.